Hello. I'm going to teach you an extension of the find function, which is find and replace. So I just finished publishing the find video, so if you want to check it out, please feel free to search it up. And what the replace function does, sorry, not the replace function, I'm going too far. The find and replace is it, instead of just looking for where something is, it also replaces it, right? So if I use that find shortcut, Control F, right? And I go to replace, I want it to look for 1, 2, 3. And each time that turns up, I want you to replace it with A, B, C. And you can do this one at a time. Hang on a second. What did I do wrong? I think I have to select like that. And I go 1, 2, 3. See how it's doing it one cell at a time? All right, I can do that for the whole thing. So if, again, we'll bring back that Control Find. If you don't like keyboard shortcuts, you come here all the way to the right and replace. Okay, I can do that for everything by going replace all. As you can see, and it says I made 5 replacements. Okay, I can also do it this way. All right, if I just go Control Z, if I go find all, it's first going to tell me where everything is. Then if I'm happy with that, I can either click on which ones I want to replace and go replace single, or I can just go replace all again, like so. Right? So that's the first part of the replace function. The other one is cell-based replace. So if I go equals, replace, right? And I'm going to go old text, this one, hang on, ABC, start number 1, number of characters 4. Okay, so this is very different from substitute in that in substitute it actually searches for something to replace. In replace, it's all based on position. So I'm gonna replace this, right? What did I do? Hang on. Old text, ABC. Oh, hang on. That's what I did wrong. Okay. Ah, new text, here we go. I knew I was forgetting something. There we go. Okay, so what you're doing is the first one is the actual cell you're going to be replacing, the position, and then what you're replacing it with. Okay, so I can actually replace that first part with elephant. Okay, there you go. So it's taking the first position, which is A, number of characters, which is from A, B, C, and the space, and replacing it with whatever I choose, which is the one on the right. So if I pull this formula down, it's going to do the same thing for every single one because it's position based. Right? So let's do that again. Okay. Let's do this one. Let's say I want to replace horse with donkey. So it's going to be a little bit harder because we've got to find the position. So go equals, replace the old text. The start position is, I'm going to count, so 5, 8, it's on the 10th position. Okay, horse is 5 characters long. And I'm going to replace this with the word donkey. Bracket, enter. Okay, as you can see, it's replaced donkey, but there's like a space here. So we're going to move this one more character to the right. So 11. There we go. Okay, and again, you can extend this and it'll do the same thing. All right, so those are the 2 methods for replace. Hope you enjoyed and see you at the next video.